Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best power adapter is probably one of the most essential gadgets for any traveler or international business person, allowing you to seamlessly power up your devices across different countries and continents, ensuring you stay connected and productive no matter where your journey takes you. This adapter is designed to bridge the gap between your electronics and foreign power outlets, making it an indispensable tool for modern globetrotters. Number 5. Ceptics UK Travel Plug Adapter 3-Pack. Never worry about charging your devices again when traveling. This adapter is designed to be lightweight and compact, fitting easily into your handbag or luggage for ultimate convenience. Keep all your gadgets powered up simultaneously. This adapter allows you to plug in up to 2 devices at once, supporting standard North American plugs. This adapter works seamlessly in numerous countries. It's compatible with outlets in the United Kingdom, Ireland, Dubai, Hong Kong, and many more. Built with quality materials and fully grounded for safe operation. It handles a max load rating of 10A250V, ensuring reliable power for your electronics. Please remember this is a plug adapter, not a voltage converter. It is designed for dual voltage electronics like your phone, laptop, and tablet. Take it with you wherever you go. It's designed to be the perfect travel companion for your adventures abroad. What we like. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss adapter for basic electronics, this is a great choice. It's designed for travelers who need to charge multiple devices simultaneously. If you have a lot of gadgets like phones and laptops, you should consider this. What people say. This adapter is a lifesaver for traveling to the UK. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to pack. The adapter feels sturdy and well-made. It securely holds my plugs without any wobbling. It worked perfectly with all my devices, from my phone charger to my laptop. No issues whatsoever. Number 4. BESTEK Universal Travel Adapter Converter. Never worry about power outlets again. This universal adapter is your perfect companion for international travel, ensuring your devices stay charged wherever you go. Charge up to 7 devices simultaneously with its 4 USB ports and 3 AC sockets. It's designed to power your essential electronics, from phones to laptops. Experience superior power conversion with a rate of up to 92%. It efficiently powers a wide range of travel devices, ensuring they perform at their best abroad. Travel with peace of mind thanks to its NRTL-tested design and comprehensive safety features. It protects your devices from overcurrent, overload, and short-circuiting. Convert voltage from 100-240V to 110-120V, making your US devices usable in over 150 countries. It's your key to staying connected globally. Please note that this converter is not suitable for high-wattage appliances like hairdryers or kettles. It's designed for your smaller electronic devices. What we like. If you need to power US devices in other countries and charge multiple gadgets, this is the one. It's ideal for travelers who bring a variety of electronics. If you're looking for a versatile solution for your phone, laptop, and other small appliances, you should consider this. What people say. This adapter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It has multiple universal sockets that can accommodate various plug types. The adapter feels sturdy and well-built, suggesting good durability. Number 3. Ceptics 35W Universal Travel Adapter Kit. Introducing the Ceptics 35W Universal Travel Adapter Kit, designed for the modern traveler. It's your all-in-one solution for staying powered up anywhere in the world. This adapter features multiple ports, including USB-A, USB-C, and a powerful 35W PD USB-C, ensuring all your devices can be charged efficiently. It's perfect for your laptop, phone, and camera. Never worry about different outlets again. It comes with adapters for Europe, UK, China, Australia, and Japan, making it truly universal for your global adventures. Your valuable electronics are safe with built-in surge protection. It also features a clear voltage indicator so you always know the power status. Designed with travelers in mind, it's ultra-compact and lightweight, easily fitting into your bag. A travel pouch is included for added convenience. This adapter is ETL tested and comes with a 2-year limited warranty, offering you peace of mind. It's compatible with electronics and chargers for worldwide voltage. What we like. If you need a compact adapter that can handle a wide range of devices and includes fast charging, this is a strong contender. It's perfect for those who travel frequently and need a reliable solution for their tech. If you like the convenience of having multiple plug types and fast charging for your phone and laptop, you should consider this. What people say. This adapter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to pack for travel. It features multiple USB ports, allowing you to charge several devices simultaneously. The build quality feels sturdy and durable, suggesting it will last a long time. Number 2. TESSAN 3-Pack European Travel Plug Adapter. Introducing the TESSAN 3-Pack European Travel Plug Adapter. This versatile adapter is designed to keep you connected wherever your European adventures take you. Seamlessly charge your devices in France, Germany, Spain, Italy, and many other European countries. Please note, it's not compatible with the UK or Ireland. This adapter features one outlet and 3 USB ports, including a USB-C, allowing you to power up to 4 devices at once. It's perfect for travelers, business professionals, and students. With USB-A ports offering up to 2.4A and a USB-C port up to 3A, it intelligently detects your devices for optimal charging. Keep your phone, tablet, and other gadgets powered up. Designed for ultimate portability, its compact size fits easily into your pocket or bag, saving valuable space in your luggage. It's an essential item, even for cruise ship travel. Remember, this adapter works with dual voltage devices, 100V, 250V. For high-power items like hair dryers, ensure they are voltage compatible or use a separate voltage converter. What we like. If your travels primarily take you to Europe and you need to charge several devices, this is a practical option. It's designed for convenience and portability. If you are looking for an adapter specifically for European countries and need to charge your phone, tablet, and other small electronics, you should consider this. What people say. This adapter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It has multiple USB ports, allowing you to charge several devices simultaneously. The build quality feels solid and durable, suggesting it will last a long time. Number 1. ALLWEI International Voltage Converter. This patented device is specifically designed for your hair straighteners and curling irons up to 230W. It safely converts voltage in 220V countries to the 110V standard you need. Travel the world with confidence. This converter, along with its included international adapters, allows you to use your American electronics in over 150 countries worldwide. Please note that this converter is designed for devices up to 230 watts and is not suitable for high-power items like hair dryers. Always ensure your devices stay within this limit. Your safety is paramount. It features automatic shutdown for surge protection, overheating, and short circuits, all while operating with a silent fan for undisturbed rest. Using it is straightforward. In the USA, just plug in your device. When traveling abroad, simply attach the correct adapter. Its compact size makes it a breeze to pack. Don't let its small size fool you. This converter efficiently transforms voltage from 90V, 260V down to the 110V standard you need, all in a travel-friendly package. When you purchase this adapter, you receive everything you need: the converter, a detachable power cable, multiple international adapters, a storage bag, and a user manual with warranty. What we like. If you need to use high-wattage items like hair straighteners or curling irons in countries with different voltage, this is your go-to. It's specifically designed for these types of appliances. If you are looking for a voltage converter that can handle your styling tools, you should consider this. What people say. This adapter is a lifesaver for traveling to the UK. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to pack. It works perfectly with my US devices, allowing me to charge my phone and laptop without any issues. The design is sleek and modern, and it feels very sturdy and well made. I appreciate the multiple outlets, which are very convenient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.